Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Happy Friday's English lesson. Now today we're going to have a super cool story for English, and it's a story called The Monkey Puzzle, and it's all about a monkey and a helpful little butterfly. And it's Happy Friday, boys and girls. But does our monkey look happy? No, he looks very sad, doesn't he? Because I've lost my mum, said the monkey. He can't find his mummy anyway, so he's very, very sad. Along comes a beautiful butterfly who says, "Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her," says the butterfly. Now let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. She's bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. Oh. Is this monkey's mum? I don't think so. No, no, no. That's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey big hunk. She hasn't got a tusk or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick buggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils around the trees. She coils around the trees, said Butterfly. Then she's very near. Come, little monkey. She's over here. I wonder if it's Monkey's mum. Oh, is this the monkey's mum, boys and girls? No, no, no. That's a snake. My mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither and slither and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum has got more legs. Said Butterfly. It's legs you're looking for, now you say. I know where she is then. Come this way. Oh, what do we have now, boys and girls? It's a spider. I bet Takeshi's got a spider. Is the spider little monkey's mum? No, 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 that's a spider, said Monkey. Mum isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got as many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees. Well, you should have said, your mummy is hiding right above your head. I wonder if mummy's hiding up there. Let's see. What do we have now? Is this monkey's mum? No, 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 said Monkey. That's a parrot. Mum's got a nose, not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws and feathery wings. And anyway, my mum, she jumps and springs. Oh, I've got it, said Butterfly. She leaps about. She's just around the corner, without a doubt. What do you think, boys and girls? Has the butterfly found Monkey's mum? What is it? No, no, no. That's a frog, said Monkey. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry, and she's nice to cuddle. Well, brown fur, well, why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Come on, off we go. Oh, what do we have, boys and girls? Is it Monkey's mummy? No, 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 said Monkey. That's a bat. Why do you keep getting it wrong, my butterfly? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you, and she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly quite so small. Your mum's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river. I think she's having a drink. Let's see. Oh, look, boys and girls. No, 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 said Monkey. That's the elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these animals look like me. Ooh, said Butterfly. You never told me she looked like you. Well, said Monkey, of course I didn't. I thought you knew. Well, I didn't know. I couldn't, you see. Because none of my babies looks like me. Can you see the butterfly's babies, boys and girls? Do they look like the butterfly? Well, no, they don't. Because the butterfly lays eggs and out come caterpillars before they turn into a beautiful butterfly. None of my babies looks like me, said Butterfly. If she looks like you, well, if that's the case, we'll soon find her hiding place. I hope they find Monkey's mum now, boys and girls. No, 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 said Monkey. That's not my mum, but that's my dad. Daddy, Monkey says, come, little monkey, come, come, come. I've come to take you home to Mum. Aww. Now can you see little baby monkey's happy now because he's with his mum and his dad. And that beautiful butterfly was trying to help Monkey find his mum. But why didn't the butterfly know that the monkey would look like his mum? Did the butterfly's babies look like her? No, they didn't, because they were caterpillars. But that's okay. We had a happy ending to our story for Happy Friday, because baby monkey found his mum and dad, and now they're having a nice cuddly hug. Bye for now.